Hi, welcome to our 8-part series about how to make a budget. Today, we'll be talking about the key step of tracking expenses. You may want to know why tracking expenses is important. Why not just make a budget? Tracking expenses helps you see where you've spent money in the past so that you can make a plan for the future. For most people, there is a big disconnect between what they think they are spending and what they actually are spending. Tracking expenses gives you a realistic starting point for your budget. How do you go about tracking your expenses? You have some choices. You can pull out your latest bank statement or start gathering receipts. For either, you need to decide if you want to use a spreadsheet like Excel or Google or a paper and pencil. You can find spreadsheet templates online, and these make the adding much easier, whereas be careful of mistakes if you use paper and pencil. I'd suggest that you start by looking at a 30-day period. Next, you want to start thinking about categories you want to use as you look at your expenses. Here are some suggestions to start. The more specific you are, the better picture you'll have of your spending habits. Be honest with yourself. When you stopped at the gas station and spent $5, was it for gas or was it for food, cigarettes, or lottery tickets? When you went to Walmart, did you buy groceries, clothing, household items, or a new TV? Now, total each category and take a few minutes to evaluate what you see. How do you feel about how much you spent on groceries, eating out, gas, etc.? Do you see any patterns, such as multiple trips for small dollar amounts? How do you feel about the number of transactions in each category? We may be tracking money spent, but each trip to a store is time and gas too. Are there any categories in which you want to make changes? Finally, add all the categories together to get your total expenses. Next, total all the income that you received during that 30-day period. Make sure to include your wages, but also include income from refunds, Cash App, child support, and anything else that came into your account. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. Do you have a positive number? Excellent. You are living within your means. Your next step will be to give every dollar a job. Do you have a negative number? You need to make some changes, as your lifestyle, as it is not sustainable. I'm with the Greenville Financial Empowerment Center, also known as the FEC. We provide free, one-on-one financial counseling, and we'd love to help you with your financial journey. You can schedule your free session by calling our office, scanning the QR code, or visiting our website. Thanks for joining me today. Look out for our other videos as we continue to explore the steps to making a great budget.